Alright, so this is going to be my review of the red squirting thing from Harbor Freight. That's what the front of it looks like. That's the side. That's the view you get when you're aiming this thing. So here's what you got to do. First, to get it to work, what we figured is you figured this out. You got to turn on the water. A little pressure comes out. See, there it goes. So you turn on that water, and that allows the water to come squirting through it. Now, it's got multiple things you can do. You got the flat, and that's what flat does. See, it just goes flat, just like that. All right. Then you turn it, and that's what they call a soaker. That's my wife being cute. I'm doing a video. I'm getting the review. Cleaning windows. Here, I'll help you. Oh wait, that's not the good squirt. It's, my wife's a big fan of it. So anyway, as you can just see there for a minute, the soaking feature, it doesn't really do anything. It just kind of comes out of there like that. Next, you turn it, you got the angled. This is what it looks like when you squirt it from here. Yeah, it comes out squirting like that. The angle, that's why they call it the angled. Next, you turn it and it's the jet. It's called the jet because the water comes out real fast. Watch this. Look at that. Well, you can squirt your neighbors if you wanted to, I bet you. Look at that. Take that. Huh? That's the bathroom, by the way. Dirty girl. I knew that when I married her. Anyway, here's the shower. That's the shower feature. It's like you're standing in your shower, so that's what it looks like squirting out of there. And then you got this mist here. It just does that. It just mists like mist. There you go. And then you're done. And you're back to flat. Damn, what the fuck? What? My video's good, it does not suck. What'd you say? Yeah, my video doesn't suck. Flush the toilet, hon. Anyway, this twister thing, it's got a good grip to it. It's got a good feel. Whenever it clicks, it goes click. Really good. It's not like one of them other ones where you turn it and it don't really give you a good positive feedback. This one, you can just turn it. Right there, we're on that jet again. I like that one. That one squirts good. Look at that. Squirt! Anyway, there it is. If you've been walking through Harbor Freight and saw this thing and thought to yourself, well, I just wonder if anybody's ever reviewed one of those. Well, there you have her. She's got an adjustable grip right here. Got adjustable nozzles. It's pretty good. All right, there you go. Bye.